Hey guys, Ankit this side from Digital Barfi, and in this video I am going to talk about how to track your conversions using Google Ads and how to insert Google Ad code snippets inside your Shopify store. Before we go ahead, just note down one thing that you need to have a Google Ads account already up and running in place so that Google will provide you a code snippet. So where will you find that code snippet and how we will assure that this code is going to measure the conversions that is going to happen when someone makes a successful transaction. Okay, so let's deep down. So inside this Google Ads, you will find tools and settings options. Once you click on this tool, just click on the conversions option inside the measurement tab. Okay, so it's taking a bit of time to load. Till then, we will do one thing. Let's click on the setting options inside and then click on the checkout option. So click, you have to add code snippets inside the checkout option so that when someone completes the checkout process and when someone sees the thank you message, that will be counted as one conversion. I don't know why this is not loading up. Yeah, so now see, I have already created one conversion set with the name website sales. So when you click on this website sales, you will be provided with a couple of options. Just hop down to the tag setup and click on this install the tag yourself. So Google will provide you these two codes. One is this and the other is this one. So now where I have to put this code. Okay, so now just click on this theme option, click on customize, click on edit code, sorry. So once you are in here, click on the theme.liquid part. Now add this code here. Just click on copy this code and add it here. Below, before the head tag, closing of head tag. Okay, so basically you have to find out the head tag. Okay, perfect. So we have to just click on here. Else you can just find out where is the ending of the head tag. You can click on here also before the ending of the head tag, or when you are done just click on the save option. So the one part is done. This should be applied to each and every page that is available on your store. The second thing is this one, so where we have to add this code. So this is basically, this code fires only when a purchase or a conversion happens. So in case of e-commerce store, a conversion means someone has successfully transferred their amount to our account and they are saying thank you page. So where will we find that? Simply just click on this setting options, click on the checkout option, hop down and see the additional script. You just have to click, copy this and paste it over here and all set. What Google will do right now, Google will start counting a conversion as one if someone places an order, check out, make the transaction successfully and then see the thank you page. So the thank you page is the last page after someone makes a successful transaction. And how will you verify whether things are getting fired correctly? So it's recommended to download and install a Chrome extension known as Google Tag Assistant. So once you search something like Google Tag Chrome extension, so just click on this, download it. I have already downloaded it. And once you are on your store, just open your store and you will find it. This is how it fires. So like suppose I am just giving you an example right here. Perfect. So see how this whole tag manager thing looks like. So once my store has been loaded, so Okay, so you can see just clicking on this will give you an access idea of what all the tags. So this is one which you will find in every page. Okay, so these are all the tags that are fighting property. Perfect. So this is how tag manager should be installed inside your Shopify store. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates on e-commerce and dropshipping. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.